Aussie yen, our daily area is acting as support. Okay, that daily down candle is acting as support. We have multiple wick rejections on the hourly. We haven't broken this up candle yet. Again, once that one gives up, then you can go in and start looking for longs. All right, until that happens, price could stay sideways, so do not rush to get into a trade on this one. Let price show you it wants to do that first before you go in and start doing any buying. Okay, let this area give up first. All right, and then once it does, I think this down candle looks interesting. The opening price, we've not come, price didn't even touch it, so that could be an interesting area if we do see a pullback. If not, then these two up candles should provide support for a continuation to the upside. Let's go on to the 4 and see nothing. Let's go on the 15 minutes. Yeah, we do have areas of buying in here. So once you break above it, we could see price hit this, come back for retracement, and then continue rallying. Right, so monitor this one. It's similar to the Aussie